How do you like hiking in the cold?
I like it. Not too cold today.
Not too cold today? What is it?
Hmm?
What's the temperature?
Around +2 Celsius.
+2? It
No,
feels
around 1 to 2 degrees Celsius plus.
it feels
And
very
it's starting
cold.
to snow now a little bit.
Feels very cold.
Should snow tonight, and I go down to -2 or something, -2. So it's not too bad. It's
Okay.
a beautiful Sunday afternoon. So I just found this place here. Seems like an ideal place. I'm gonna hike up to this area just now, and I'm gonna set up a little tarp as a shelter. Set up this little table. You can get it at Amazon if you like it. So I got myself this Coleman stove. Used to be called a canoeing stove. And it's got little legs, they pop out. And basically what you do is you open this up here and you fill it up with white gas, naphtha. Once you fill it up, There's this little plunger. You release it, and there's a little hole on it. You plug the hole with your thumb and you pump it about 30 times to build pressure inside. This will aerosolize the gas, which will go out of the tank. You open this valve through here, through this pipe, and out into the burner. The reason why this pipe is over the burner is that once your stove is lit, it will warm up your gas as it's passing through, thereby making it like easier to burn, especially in winter conditions. This is a great winter stove. Some of the other butane stoves don't work in the winter and cold temperatures, but this one does. It's good for altitude and cold weather. Actually, I had this for about maybe 20 years, still working, no problems. It's a Coleman Feather 400. Now, if I were to stay longer here, maybe sleep over the night, I can put my sleeping bag under the shelter if I don't have a tent, and then I would make a fire right in front, and nice fire to keep me warm all night. Put some rocks behind it, so it could deflect the heat into the tarp. When you're camping or backpacking, waiting for this to warm up, you improve your shelter or your campsite. So right now my tarp is a little bit droopy on the back. I'm just gonna lift that up. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to turn it off. And pour it. Now I gotta put the cocoa powder in there. 2 nice hot chocolates. You're wondering who's the other chocolates for. Not that I'm really thirsty. I have my camera woman here and partner.
Yes, I will lose on.
Cheers.
Cheers.
A little Baileys would be good here too, eh? I didn't bring it today.
Good.
Oh, it's really strong. Have a seat for now.
Yeah, sure.
Don't fall back. See, just like home. Home away from home. By the way, all those people that never camped before or didn't go on the outdoors and they're couch surfing, maybe it's get out there and start enjoying nature, doing some of this. You never know, you might have to use it one day. Hey guys, you're wondering, what if you drink too much and you have to go to the washroom? Well, there's no washroom in the forest, right? Well, I guess you gotta walk around with a little trowel and go into the woods, make a little hole, cover it up, or you hold it till you get back home. Cheers. And guys, again, all those that never really go outdoors much, when you go camping or backpacking especially, you try to keep all your things together in one place. Do not like spread things all over the campsite and you lose something, you forget something, you can't find them, especially in the dark. So take whatever you need out of your backpack and leave it near to the backpack. If you have a tent, the pegs, all that stuff, the baggies where everything is, the stuff sacks, keep it all in the same bag. So when you're ready to pack up, you know where everything is. So if you have a system, you don't have headaches and running around, losing things and can't find this or that, especially if you have to get out of there fast. So if you have no water, you run out of water or the water froze or something, it's winter time, right? You have water everywhere, you have a lot of snow. So you collect a lot of snow, put it in your pod, and you can melt it. You're gonna use a lot of fuel because snow is not dense. So for a pot of snow, you might get just a little bit, about an inch of water in the bottom, right? But you can still get water. There's water everywhere in the winter. Again, if you have one of these stoves, it's a good idea to release your pressure. If you're gonna pack it away for a while, you're not gonna use it. Some people leave it with the pressure on. It's just me. I like to depressurize it. this is the end of our little hiking camping tutorial video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell down below to get more notifications when I put up a new video. Hope you liked it and keep following me. All right, bye. Happy camping. Just found a nice river. You gotta be careful when you're in the woods. Sometimes you see snow like this, and actually there's a river underneath. You can hear it running. Right? Here's a little dam. I don't know if that's a beaver dam or something that on the river. And then, as you can see, there's a little bit of ice where there's no snow on top. So if you're walking in the woods, actually you can see the water there running over on that side. Yeah, so as I was saying, look around when you're walking that it's not a trail or a road. If you see something with no vegetation, no brushes sticking out, chances it might be a body of water. It could be a swamp, marshy area, or a river, little creek. And you step in there in the winter, that could be big trouble for you, because if you get wet in the winter and you're far away from like civilization, then you know, it could be a life-threatening situation if all your clothes get wet, right? So avoid bodies of water and look out for telltale signs, sounds of water rushing. If you have a walking stick, you know, hit it before you go in it, and be safe when you're out there in the trails. Hi guys, so here I'm at the car, just got here. It was a good little hike and little camp, so hot chocolate was good. Anyway, if you like this kind of videos, and I keep making more as time allows, please give me a thumbs up, like, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the button down below for notifications whenever I upload something else, something new. And I hope you learned something. And if you already know, just, you know, enjoy it. Maybe give me a few tips down in the comments below, or some ideas of next videos. Hope you had fun and happy camping. Bye for now.